everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my car, and today I am going to show you this. I don't even, I have a bunch of iPhone wires and stuff, but they're all the old school USB ones, not the USB-C. And so I found on Amazon the least expensive 3-pack of 6-foot long USB-C to Lightning connectors. You see, there's the Lightning and there's the USB-C. Boy, it really doesn't want to focus very well, but you get the idea. You can kind of see what it is there, maybe back there. Okay, so that's it. So the USB-C to Lightning, and because I'm sitting here in a Tesla and I only have USB-C ports, there's only one old school USB port, and there's a little flash drive thingy in there. It's in my glove box over on that side there, and that's the only one in the car. So it's like, and there's a bunch of these other ones. There's ones back here, and there's ones in the little, I don't know, center console and stuff. They're all over for the USB-C. So I bought a 3-pack, so it was great. So I can just leave them in the car here, so people in the back can charge, or people there, because everybody I know has iPhones, and so they got the chargers here. So I just bought the 3-pack, and it was like super inexpensive, and I've been using them for a little while, and they work stellar. So they are good. So I'm gonna say they're the thumbs up for me. They've been working. I actually have my phone plugged in with it right now, and it's been charging fast and good. Does as good as any of the ones that the phone came with. So I like it, and they seems nice and durable and everything. I like everything. These are 6 feet long. It was a 3-pack of 6-foot long ones. I'm gonna put a link to it in the description so you guys can pick some up for yourselves if you need some nice inexpensive ones that do work. I tried all 3 of them, and all 3 of them do work. So that was a good one too. And be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and the link for these are in the description so you guys can pick up some little iPhone wires yourself. These are just the USB-C to Lightning, and it doesn't come with any charger blocks or any of that stuff, but my car doesn't need them. But if you need those, you get those somewhere else. I've probably done some reviews on those things too, but I like it. Thumbs up for me. Take care. See you guys when I do some more reviews. Bye.